Welcome back. Well, we have a couple guests on that you have certainly seen before, and they provide a really good service in that they're available when you need them. It's called 7 Day Dental, and we have Dr. Christine Chung and Dr. Chuck Lee. Good to have you back.
Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you.
And we've talked about this before, that the biggest service that you offer is the fact that you have people on call, so to speak, and if someone in the middle of the night has some sort of a dental emergency and feel the need that they need to see someone, it's not like on a Friday night you go, well, come see us on Monday morning, right?
Yes.
That's nice. That is really good.
We are open 7 days a week, actually 365 days. Now, we would love to open every day at all of our locations,
Right.
but unfortunately, Sunday, even where we're open, not too many patients want to come on Sunday.
Right.
It's a routine.
Yeah.
So what we have done is one location will be open every day of the year. So even
Exactly.
Christmas, New Year, one of the
Yes.
offices will be open.
That's great. Yeah, that is really a great service, and for obvious reasons, and one of them are dental emergencies. We're going to talk about that. And maybe people might not consider something an emergency, and they're a little worried. Obviously, if all of a sudden your tooth cracks, we know that there's a problem there. But there's other things that can be a dental emergency too, right?
Yes, so emergency can be any type of severe acute pain to bleeding gum, cheap broken, a crown fell out, or even a false tooth. And
Yeah.
Dr. Lee can discuss about a false tooth.
Well, so one of the emergency that
Yeah, I haven't heard of that, a Volz tooth. I haven't heard of that one.
that usually younger generations have in this community, maybe their kids or their grandkids. They're playing a sport and something hit or they fall and the tooth falls out. A lot of them, a lot of people, it's not something that happens daily, so
Right.
we're not accustomed to know what to do. Well, the first thing we need to do is to look for the tooth. We really want to try to find the tooth so we can re-implant it.
Oh, you
back.
can actually re-implant depending
Yes.
on how it breaks? And
Yes.
Really?
If the
Wow.
whole thing comes out, we can, at least we can try.
Interesting.
And the second thing is, when you do find it, you want to always grab the crown portion of the tooth, not the root, and because you can disturb the root, nervous and the connective tissue and all
Yeah.
that. And you want just to rinse it off, and if possible, if they can't find, we can put it in milk, that'll be the best.
Put it in milk?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
And at the very least, you can put in water,
Mm-hmm.
and then you want to try to find a dentist as soon as you can.
I've never heard of the milk thing.
Yeah.
What if it's chocolate milk? Is that okay?
I
I
don't
never
know.
heard that. Is
Yeah.
it that? I guess that makes sense. The
Yeah.
calcium in it and all.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
We've seen.
I didn't even know you could reattach a tooth
Yes,
like that.
And we're talking about permanent tooth, not
yeah,
baby
not baby
tooth.
teeth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, baby tooth. Well, it's like,
Yeah.
guess what? That's going to be replaced anyway.
Right.
But again, even if a baby tooth is knocked out, you want to make sure that the
whole thing
underlining,
comes out.
yeah, that it's not disturbed
Right.
in
Right.
in some other way,
Yeah,
right?
in any case, you
Yeah.
would try to call your local dentist or us. We are available again 24/7. We're always there for you. And a dentist should take a look at the emergency situation and then give you the best advice and give you the best option treatment.
What if someone just has a pain, a swollen gum? They may feel, obviously this could be as simple as something got stuck there, you know, the old thing, the raspberry seed or something like that, but it could be a sign of something more, right?
Sure. It's always better to get it checked out. It may not be nothing. It may be we just remove the piece of seed and that's all it
Yeah.
is. Or it could be a buildup or something got stuck that we need to do a little bit more. But the most important thing, I think, is early treatment. And if you see something that's not right or feel something that's not right, go get it checked out.
Yeah.
Early treatment is always the best treatment.
Yeah, that's true of anything, right?
Right.
And if someone has this, and can they just call you up, and you can go online to 7 Day Dental and get the numbers there. But do they already have to have you set up as their dentist or anything? They can just, usually for that purpose.
No.
We've always available. We always have a live person who's answering
Great.
the phone and try to get you in as soon as possible.
Mm-hmm.
And for those who don't have insurance, we just honor 20% across the board.
Okay.
And,
Discount.
Discount. yeah,
Okay.
Of all treatments.
Just for the residents of Laguna,
Laguna
Woods.
But you take all the normal insurance
Yes.
that's
Yes,
out
we
there.
do.
And I know some people here on their plans, their Medicare Advantage plans, some of them have very good dental built
Yes.
into those. So that's nice.
Now, of course, the 20% are for those that don't have insurance, that
Mm-hmm.
you know, we're not as lucky to have dental insurance.
Yeah. Do you also operate, we just talked about emergency things, is people want to have you as their regular dentist, where they come in every 6 months and get a checkup and things like that?
Yes.
Yes.
We definitely do that.
That's good. Because we're just talking about emergencies. I want to get across that you're not just an emergency dental clinic, you're far more than that.
Oh, yes.
And you deal in everything to do with taking care of the teeth, and you do implants and things like that.
You know, it's dentistry, like all businesses, are very competitive, and a small portions of Americans, we go to the dentist regularly, but a lot, I would say at least 60 or 70% do not. And it's hard, especially in this community. They're moving in, they're used to their old dentist, they don't have a chance, and they're not really looking for a dentist. But if they have a dental emergency, and that's why we're open all the time, because people now go when they need to go, not when they have to go.
Right.
So we need to be available for that.
I think that's an excellent service that you provide, because you're close by here. Where's your closest office? Is just right up the
Right
street,
here.
right?
Yeah,
El
right
Toro
next to
Moulton.
Vons.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very, very
And
easy to find.
as I said, you can go to 7daydental.com, go to their website, and you get the numbers there. And you know, you want to have a regular dentist, but if you don't, and something comes up that you're worried about, here you go. They're right here to help you out. And tell me about, in general, 7-Day Dental. This is, how long has the company been around? It's
25 years.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys know what you're doing, right?
Yes.
Where are your other offices, just in case someone calls you up and you say, well, you know, you can go to this office over here?
We have 2 in Anaheim and 1 in Ladera Ranch. And
Oh,
right here
Ladera's
in
would be the closest, yes.
Laguna Woods. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Well, it's great to have you on, and I really think that having your service so close by is wonderful. People don't want to have something hurting with their teeth for an entire weekend, have to wait till Monday.
Yes.
And it may be something small, but that small thing can fester and turn out to be much worse had they not just gone to visit you right away.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
very good. It's good to have you here.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so
and
much.
and 7-Day Dental, again, go online at 7daydental.com. What's your local number here?
949-859-3988.
Okay, and again, all that number's online as well. You can see all their services there. I want to thank you both, Chuck and Christine. It's a good service. Good to see you again.
It's a
Thank you very
pleasure.
much.
Thank
Nice to
you.
see you.
All right,
Yes.
we'll be right back.
It's true, 7-Day Dental has the best doctors and great staff. It's also true that we use the latest technology. But did you know that the owners of 7-Day Dental are also the founders of AdoptASoldier.com?
I am Dr. Christine Chung. If you make 7-Day Dental your dentist, I would donate a portion of your bill to help our soldiers. Together, we will make a difference.
Call us, make your appointment today.